Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to protect your G90 M5 with TLG rock guards. Now, as many of you know, these are essential in protecting the side of your vehicle, especially if you're running aftermarket wheels with an improved offset or wheel spacers. But for you guys running bone stock, these are going to help you as well. It's going to save the side of your car from rocks and road debris and minor damage. If you've been watching the channel for any length of time, you'll know that we run these on all of our personal cars, and we absolutely love them, not only because they're nice and discreet, but they do offer premium protection. Now, as you can see behind me, we do have the car set up on a lift. You do not need a lift to do this. A lot of people just do it on the ground. We're going to be leaving the wheels on the vehicle for this entire installation, but if you'd like to remove them for a little bit more room, you are welcome to do so. So with that, let's start with the fronts. All right, for the front, the first thing you want to do is either remove your wheel, or you can just twist it in just like this, and you're going to have all the space that you need. Next, you're going to need a simple pick tool, and what we're going to do is we are going to remove this rivet right here, and then this one down below. Now, the way that these work, you take your pick tool and you press the middle in, okay, just like that. Okay, then you can just take the rest, just pull that out, looks just like that. Then you're gonna do the same thing on the bottom. Just push that pin in, okay, and then pull out the rest of the rivet just like that. Then what you can do is take the supplied rivets, you're gonna feed it through here and then into the car, okay, just like that. Make sure that it sits all the way back. And then you can do the same on the lower section here. Then what I like to do is take the back of a mallet and just carefully push the pin in, just like that. We'll do the same on the bottom. Okay. Now what you can do is take the supplied spacer. This is going to go over here. Then you're going to take the Phillips head screw that's provided as well. And then we're going to insert this into the wheel liner. This is just going to make sure that it's not going to flap around. Okay, so snug that up, and this is fully installed. All right, for the rear, you can see over here that there is an 8mm screw. This is going to need to be removed, and this is going to be a mounting location. We also have a 10mm down here. Now, why did BMW choose to use two different sizes? I have no idea. So let's start with the 8mm, and we'll pull this out. Okay, included in your kit is going to be a larger spacer in a screw that looks like this. You want to take your guard like this, insert your screw, and then I like to just slide it on, then carefully navigate it where it needs to go. Typically just hand tighten it just a little bit so it doesn't fall. And then I move on to tightening the 10mm that we removed earlier. This is going to get reinstalled right where we just removed it. So this goes through here, then you can tighten this. Then you can tighten up the top. Then you can either leave it like this. There will be a little bit of a gap over here, but if you just want to stick with factory mounting points, you can just do those two and it's going to hold it no problem. If you want it to fit a little bit tighter with the body, there's a third hole, so you can install the supplied screw, and this just gets threaded into your wheel liner. All right, and once you've done everything on the driver's side, we're going to repeat this exact same process on the other side of the car. So as you just saw, it only takes a couple minutes and a lift is not necessary at all. You just need an 8mm, a 10mm, and a Phillips to make sure that your G90 M5 is protected. Speaking of the G90, if you're interested in other videos, we have a lot of content out already and more coming on the way. So be sure to keep an eye on our channel. And if you're looking to protect your car with TLG rock guards, we have them available for most BMW and Porsche models, and the links are in the description. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks for watching today's video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. Visit us at kies.com, KIES.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.